Hello and welcome. I still remain Joe Vicar. As a father and as a big brother to our brothers who we are having some fracas, Very Dark Man and Waga Ge. It's not very big good on me if I decide not to bring this new update. The update is finally, Waga Ge has apologized. Waga Ge has bowed to pressure to apologize to Very Dark Man. My problem is not about the apology. My issue is the lesson to be learned from this particular apology. So I will allow you to play his apology video. And when I play it, I will be issuing out the information, the advice, the knowledge, the lesson to be learned from this particular scenario. Let's take a look at what he said.
I'm sending this video to Very Dark Man, to the Rattle movement, to the Nigerian youth, to my Igbo brothers, asking for forgiveness. Because I don't sit down and reason. After my investigation, I find out that all the things they told me about Very Dark Man was a big time lie. I'm not fighting Very Dark. Why will I fight Very Dark Man? If I fight Very Dark Man, who will do what they do for Nigeria? In as much as I know what if you like do anything what you do for this life, maybe everybody will like you.
That's so
I find out that I was totally wrong in that video. All the information given to me was totally lies, and I did not collect any dime from anybody. Some people were saying that they pay me to do that video. If you pay me, post your evidence or your receipt. I did not collect any dime from anybody. I thought that I was doing the right thing, but later I found out that I was totally wrong. So please, the Nigerian youth, the Rattle movement, VDM, you guys should find a way in your heart to forgive me. I'm not like that. If you know me very well, you will know that I've been fighting so hard.
Okay, this is our brother Waga Ge. What is the lesson to be learned from here? This is how to know a great man. This is how to know a man who will go far in life. This is how to know someone who can take responsibility, a leader. Because any good leader is a leader who takes responsibility of his mistakes. Not the Nigerian leader we have today who blame their predecessor for their wickedness, for their failure. And let me tell you, if anybody who have excuse for his failure, he can never be a good leader. He can never change. That is what is bedeviling Nigeria today. They have excuse for their failure. They have excuse for not performance. But this guy refused to accept every excuse. He openly apologized. This is what makes him a great leader, a great man. Not some people who we preach to you today that they are going back to their roots. In going back to the root, there's no room for forgiveness. There's no room for apology. And they forgot that human being is imperfect. There's no perfect human being. And if you are not perfect, you are bound to make a mistake. If you make mistake, be free and willing to say sorry. This is one of the reasons why I love Christianity. Because I know I am imperfect human being. I know I am not perfect. When I fall into sin, mistakes, I apologize. But somebody will tell you, if you serve other gods, if you mistakenly, it's either you come and do sacrifices of one thing or the other, or the thing will buy you. This is why forgiveness and being apologetic is important in life, because we must offend each other. So Waga Ge, I commend you for this move. I also know that Very Dark Man has no big deal about it, because his response on that video is top notch. He never started making it a tribal war. He responded normally, and they made him, was so mature his response. That is what necessitated this response. Because some of you, in the other way around, you see, start battling or tackling this guy. You do this, you do that, this and that. And the thing will generate into tribal war. But Very Dark Man was matured and responded very well. Please, I want to play with those of you who shared the first video. Please do well to share this one. Because if you are a carrier of bad news, please be also a carrier of good news. We carried the other news telling him, advising our brother. He heard what we said and apologized to us. Because that was an offense to some of us who disapproved what he said. Those of you who also supported him there, please find a way in your heart to also apologize to any comment, any reaction. Be mature enough to do that. So we thank God for the peace that have reigned. Let there be peace. I also want to use this opportunity. Some of you may have been seeing my post. Any of my posts, any of my stand, any of my video you don't like because maybe I spoke against your wickedness or your people, any day I find that I was lying, I will apologize. Frankly speaking. In fact, there are some statements I made. If anybody approach me in love, not coming to insult me. If you insult me, I will ignore you. But if you come and say, sir, bro, whatever, this is wrong, I will apologize. Some of them I will even bring down the video. Thank you guys for watching. Please share these videos. Let there be peace. We want peace. Nigeria has a lot of trouble that we don't need to start disturbing each other with by creating more trouble where there's none. Look at what they're doing to our Igbo brothers in Lagos. This is where every blogger should channel their energy. Call on our brothers to come back home. Let us build our home. Somebody will say, hey, insecurity. Bro, if all of us channel our attention towards where if Akwa channel light channel ụmụaka na cause insecurity ga-agba ọsọ. Please share this video. I remain Joe Fika. See you again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye bye.
Lagos State. If not, the president didn't want approval. Very, very wrong. They're all because now state now work. All the need was in a even when they might play out. Why I could say about the contact. When contact na villa direct, I will pass them. When direct contact na villa, another villa. I say, my post, even I will fly, even not private jet alone, offer that of private jet. I'm not a villa. I have my direct contact about your money from email. Come and talk. So, all the people put in I see you overnight. You have seen, I will say, that this country, I don't them. I thought this country will hear me. I thought this country will hear me. Oh, I have a go on this store. I'm not going to say that. Just when
onye zitere m ihe onyonyo ndasị na ha bụ warning enye mana ana m achọpụta na ọwụ ebe niile ka enyere warning ana ọ bụ na enyere warning ka ihe ji wee bịa n'abalị wee na demolish ha. Ọ bụ na enyere warning ka ihe eji were abalị mmadụ eteta n'ụra bịa na shop ya edemolish wego ya. Ure na anya ga-enu ntị ka m kwukwe m na-erikwu.
Ngwafia ụmụazị Igbo. Ihe a na-eme just now. Ihe awụ shop ụmụaka Igbo ka ndị obodo a jidere without single notice. Jide millions of naira ndị mmadụ naanị iyi just because ha wụ ndị Igbo. Look at no information, no notice. Jide shop ndị mmadụ, jide ngwafia dị n'ime ya nọ. Naanị destroy ya because ọ ga ndị Igbo. Just look at. Yeah, na-eme ndị Igbo. Just look at.
I ga-anọ n'ebe akwa just look at ihe na-eme ndị Igbo. Ha ga na-eme na demolish n'aka. Tunde Bakare bịara kwuo ya na akpọrọ ya meetings na ndị Igbo akarịala na Lagos. Na ha na control the voting power of Lagos. They will not allow you people. Unu Simba 2027 eruwela. A ga-make them frustrate unu. Ba ga na atọ election. Unu ga na-agbagodo mbọ ma ga demolish ihe unu. Election aga on. A ga-eme unu, a ga-asụ unu akwụ. Amagidego makwa since 2022 ka m sị onye Igbo ọbụla nwere shop na Lagos, duplicate it back home. Ahịa ndị niile nọ na Lagos ka duplicate ya back home. Asị m na akọ eri. Asị nwere insecurity. Asị nwere ya. Now, enwere insecurity na is nke a na ọ bụ insecure what? This one ọ bụ insecure minority. I can't understand. Anụ m na Ojukwu mgbe ọ bịara na 1960 something ya sị ewu kwenu. Ewu kwenu. Ha eche na kwuru unu kwenu. Asọ wee ewu ka ọ kpọrọ ha. ya sị ha ọ bụrụ na ị hapụga ala Igbo bịa mee invest na Lagos, you will live to regret it. O mewele na. I repeat, ọ kpọrọ ha ewu kwenu ha ekwe ha chọrọ na-ekwu kwenu. A sị na ọ bụrụ na unu hapụ ala Igbo bịa mee invest na Lagos, you will live to regret it. The result ọkpọkpọwala now. Onye Igbo onwe ihe ụfọdụ si gawa court ị na-aga ọkwa ha nwana na court chere gị. Mgbe demolition nke nwanne Peter Obi here, Peter Obi ewepụtara court injunction enyere ede ya unknown person na-eme issue ka demolish ihe. So mgbe court ga-enye order, an unknown person ga-enye order to demolish ụlọ nwanne Peter Obi, then ụlọ nke gị ka ga-expel. Ike agwụ Peter Obi, onye ka ị na-eteke court unknown person. Gọọmenti agbachie nkịtị. Ihe ọ bụ a deliberate, ọdọbụ na ya ihe a deliberate part to deal with ndị Igbo. Aga emezuru na ebere. Ebe onye na-achọghị ịnụ ihe, just nye ha 2 weeks na ha ga-ebidekwa rarụwa ya. Ha rụchakwa ya ga-abịa demolish ya. Nyọ ndị Igbo 2 weeks ha ga-aga na azụga bribe ndị bụ Caterpillar. Ndị bụ Caterpillar wụ pọbụsịrị na ha ego. Ha makwa na gọọmenti enyere ha ọda, adịra ha gbaa na akpa na ha agaghị achị back. Ha rụọkwa ya gọọmenti abịa demolish ya. Ka anyị mee na ụmụ nwaanyị mee na onwe ihe. Just look at the ụmụ mmadụ. Ọ bụrụ na e nyere notice ya, why would they come in the night? Asị ka a na-eteta n'ụra, ụka a na-demolish ma akpa ndị nọ n'ụlọ ma ihe niile. Ụfọdụ sị anyị mekwara na East. Soludo mere nke o mere ebe kezi ha. Soludo nyere warning. Ọ dere ede dekwuo ya ekwe na abịa demolish. But nke a no warning. You just wake up and see demolition. Mmadụ na-justify ihe a. Onye Igbo na-justify na-achị nwanne gị ọchị. Don't worry. One way or the other, oge rukwe gị aka. So long as ị nọ n'obodo ndị ọzọ na-achọ ihe na-justify wickedness a ndị Yoruba na-eme ndị Igbo, then one way or the other oge eru gị aka. It's very heartbreaking. Ya na-agba obi ndị Igbo ka anyị lawa n'ụlọ
lụrụ indọstrị na-ama ya n'okwu ọzọ n'ala Igbo. Ịrụ ya n'ala Igbo, ndị ntorobịa ga-enwe ọlụ. Kidnapụ na-akwụsị, ije ebezi ori ala, udo na ọṅụ achịbụ eze, ala Igbo adị mma. Igbo n'ụlọ edozi ala Igbo, Igbo n'ụlọ ala Igbo adị mma. Igbo n'ụlọ edozi ala Igbo, ụmụ Igbo n'ụlọ ala Igbo adị mma.
Ọ gazi mma Igbo ụlọ, ihe na-achọ n'ala bekee kwesị n'ụlọ. Ọkwa estate business weta ya ụlọ, charity kwesị bido na apa were hapụ ụlọ. Ndị Malaysia, ndị Igbo n'Asia, biko bata ụlọ ka anyị rụọ n'orikwa shasha. Igbo ruru ụwa niile gbuo jaja, rute n'ụlọ anyị mechaa ọ ga-achacha.